Hello guys, welcome to Fanny FX Academy's channel. Please, before I proceed, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share this video. Please do subscribe, don't just view and pass. The Lord bless you as you do so. Alright, a quick one. I just want to state the meaning of trend in the forex market. The last video I dropped, I spoke about the meaning of forex, what the word forex means. Now I want to speak on the trend in the forex market. What does trend means when you hear the word trend? Okay, so I state here, trend simply means the direction of the market. Trend is simply the direction of the market, that is where the direction of the market is heading to, where it is going, where it is coming from, where it will get to. Do you understand? So I'll explain this later when I drop more videos, but I just wanted to understand the meaning of trend. Do you understand? So trend simply means the direction of the market. And here I give us three kinds of trend in the forex market. First, we have the bullish or the uptrend. The next, we have the bearish or the downtrend. And the last, we have ranging or consolidating trend. Now, the bullish trend means the price in the forex market is moving up. Do you understand? That's why I use this as an illustration. We have the higher high, the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's how we call it in the forex market. Now we have the bearish trend, where we have our lower highs, the lower low, lower highs, lower low, which consists of the bearish market or the downtrend. Are you getting me? Now we have the ranging or consolidating trend or the sideways trend. Do you understand? So this doesn't really have a particular direction. So it's just ranging from a particular support to a particular resistance. Do you see that? That's why I put it in this rectangle. So from a particular support to a particular resistance, that's how the ranging market moves. No particular trend. So if you want to trade this kind of trend, you have to wait for a breakout, maybe below or above, before you can know what to do in the forex market. So these are just the three kind of trends in the forex market. As I said earlier, trend simply means the direction of the market, and there are three kind of trends: the bullish trend, the downtrend and the ranging market. Those are the kind of trend we have in the forex market. If you need more of this, kindly share, subscribe and like to get more educative video. Thanks. Ciao.